Sorry. Alexa, turn on speaker. Hey everyone. So my brain is running a little slow. I haven't yet had my second cup of coffee. I'm working on it. But I got these just cute little gemstones in today for fun. So my plan for this morning is to continue where we left off yesterday with Spark, namely looking at replica sets and stateful sets and jobs as possible ways of like helping Spark more efficiently communicate with the Kubernetes scheduler. So that we don't like overload everything. Oh, hello, Professor. Oh, unfortunately, Professor Timbit has decided that his attention is needed in the backyard, mostly in the form of barking at things, which is fine, which is kind of expected. Let me make sure that he can actually get to the backyard because he was just whining. Oh, he probably can't. Hey, buddy, Timbit, come on. Hey, all the way, buddy, all the way. Hey, Timbit, Timbit. There's a treat for you, buddy. Timbit, come on. Come on, buddy. Timbit, come on. Let's go. Let's go. All the way. Hey, all the way, buddy. No. Okay. We'll write some software. That's okay. Okay. Yeah. That's the joys of life. Okay. He's a lovely boy. Yes, he is. But he's not going to come hang out with me because he knows I don't keep treats at my desk, which I should really fix. Anyways. Oh, hey, Azar. So yeah, let's get into things. So where we left off last night, not surprisingly, some compilation issues. And so we can go up and start taking a look. Let's start doing that. Okay, so it's inside of the executor pods allocator. Okay, I think we need to add pod spec here. That moves pod builder down to the next line. Builder, pod spec builder. Then okay, pod spec builder line 391. Okay, I'll change 391. Let's go look up what the pod spec builder is. So Fabric 8, Java doc, pod spec builder. Okay. So, yeah, we are going to, I guess we want to go edit spec. Edit spec? No, that doesn't make sense. Let's go containers. Okay, yeah, so there we go. Oh, Alexa, oh, I already did that. We're gonna put on our music because that helps me concentrate, strangely enough. Pod template spec builder. I guess that's the next thing that we're gonna build. Okay. There are a lot of types that I'm importing. I'm really tempted to do a wildcard import, but okay. 350. Yeah, okay, we'll deal with this comment later. That's a to-do for myself. Okay. So this is saying that metadata is not part of pod, but I thought it was. Oh, okay. Data. Oh. Oh, thanks, programming night. Hmm. Oh, I just cameled it wrong. That makes sense. Okay. No, pod spec should become pod template spec. Yeah. Okay. That'll fix my imports. Oh, okay. Then we're also going to need to import pod template spec. Pod template spec. This is a lot of explicit imports. Anyways, okay. Pod with attached container, line 399. Okay. Yeah. That was just an autocomplete thing. Okay, resources. 406. Oh, okay, yeah. And so this is coming from resolved executor spec resources. Oh yeah, and I actually already did that. That's fine. Okay. Okay, Kubernetes executor spec. Kubernetes executor spec dot scala. Okay. This is what we call it, resources. Maybe. Yeah. Okay, cool. Okay, persistent volume claim builder. Oh, except I should fix this. Instead of use replica sets, use. Well, nah, we can leave it as use replica sets for now. We'll fix it later. But let me add a to-do about that. Do change to stateful. Okay. So, yeah. This is just set name. Yeah. Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay. Uh, so with Apple, I had to, I think, be more careful with what I streamed. Um, and Netflix is much more um, instead of process-driven culture, freedom and responsibility. So it's up to me to make the right calls, rather than like clearing stuff with my boss. Of course, I can always clear stuff with my boss if I'm uncertain. Um, and generally speaking, managers don't particularly like surprises, but it's a little more flexible. And since a lot of the stuff that I do is kind of like spur of the moment, it's easier to do when it's sort of like up to my own judgment. Um, oh, hey, Frank Johnny. I'm glad you're back. Okay, we're we're getting there. This thing almost compiles. I mean, probably doesn't like work or anything like that, but compiling is a good first step, right? Um, so let's hope we get there. Okay, what's our next issue? Created executor pod, value not found. Okay, 438. Okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's good to see you too. I don't how we want to do references here. I think let's give it to the driver. Yeah, I think we're gonna give it to the driver here. This is maybe a bit sketch, but like, executor pods allocator, add owner reference. Yeah. Hmm. Let's go. Okay, I want to double check. Driver pod. Yeah, the same one from yesterday. This is trying to get Spark to work with stateful sets or jobs. Actually, I guess I might have done two different things yesterday. Um, hmm. Okay, cool. So now, let's go take a look at our Kubernetes client. Yeehaw. No. A Java doc. Oh, here we go. Actually, here's my Java doc right here. So, do any of these things take a set now? Okay, pods. Yeah. Okay. Persistent volume claims, secret services. um. So. Yes, yes. Not what I want. Not what I want. Okay. So. Um. Okay. So this create as executor pod and a reference, and then here for each resource. So this only does PVCs. Um, I don't actually see where we apply the config maps. Huh. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting. Okay. Hmm. Batch API. This is where I can do jobs. Yeah. Okay, so it's not in the batch API group. Is it? I don't think it's in custom. It's not auto scaling. I don't think it's an app. I don't know where they would have labeled stuff. Oh, actually it is. Okay. Works for me. So it is an app, apparently. So we'll go apps, and then statefulsets. And then I think I can do create, and that'll do the trick. We'll find out. Yeehaw. Oh, okay. Unless statefulsets is not cameled. Oh. Can't spell. Probably part of the issue. Oh yeah, let's go fix the long line while we're here. 28. Oh, yeah, story checks. Story checks. Okay. Persistent volume claim builder should become, yeah, thanks, Frank Johnny. Persistent QRST. No, wait, is pod spec? Oh, it is. Let's turn on Professor Timbit Cam. Check on Timbit. Let's see if Professor Timbit Cam works. Oh. Let me see if I can get Professor Timbit to come back. Timbit! Come on, baby! Come on, baby! Come on, let's go! All the way, buddy! All the way, come on, come on! Do it, do it, do it, do it, do it, do it. More snacks if you want to say hi to my friend. You have to come and say hi. Oh, it's such a big day. Such a big day. Such a big day. For snacks. Yeah, snacks. Okay, there we go. There we go. An important part of programming is having a professor with you. Because you never know. You never know when you might need some professorial support. Isn't that right? Isn't that right? Here. There's Professor Tim Tim. Professor Tim Tim. Oh. Yeah, such a good boy. Such a good boy. Want to say hi to friends? Hi to the friends on the internet? Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Go have fun, Professor. He's good. Okay. I was writing code before I got distracted by things that are more important than code. Um. Okay. Scala style. Yeah. Just run again. Oh, before pod builder. Wait, what? Oh, that's the temperature. Ah. On. Okay. So I'm hoping this compiles, and then we can like do a check-in of like, hey, what's up? It compiles. Um, and then we can go ahead and build it, and like, oh, actually, yeah. Well, once it compiles, I'll do a check-in if it compiles, and then I'm going to address my little to-dos, and then we're going to go ahead and try it and see how that goes. This is my plan. This plan is premised on the theory that it's going to build. So if that doesn't pan out, we'll see. Okay. How are the buttons? They're doing okay. They're doing solidly okay, I think. Yeah, IntelliJ would help. I agree. And a lot of the Spark developers do use IntelliJ. I just most of the time I'm not interacting with like Fabric 8 or other libraries that are, how do I say this? That complicated. So because I spend most of my time in Scala code, which I know pretty well, I tend to prefer lighter weight solutions, but that's like totally a personal preference, right? Um, and we can definitely see the shortcomings when I have to do things like, working with Java libraries, which are all about builders and factories and many layers. So yeah, I think for especially for new people getting started in Spark, like IntelliJ is definitely the way to go. I've just worked on it for too long. Okay. Don't know why this is taking so long. I guess while this is going on, I could try and do my Helm deploy. Sorry, not my Helm deploy. Uh, hmm. Oh yeah, okay. Where is there's like a YAML file somewhere. Do 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 do. Oh, here we go. Yeah, okay. So volcano development. Um, holding this volcano. And so the main thing. Okay. Cool. We can try and deploy volcano while we're getting our build on. Okay, cool. I dig it. Okay. Git commit -am. It compiles. Yay. So, now what we're gonna do here is there's some things that I realized while we were working on this that like I don't really like what I did. So one of them is like, yeah, we're not actually gonna use this. And so instead, down here inside of request new executors, this is just going to be request new executors. Okay. And then set total expected. But, oh, set, okay. Set target. Okay, yeah. Set target. So instead, yeah, so we're gonna, this is gonna go back to the old logic. Request new executors direct. And then then there's a place total. Yeah. So then here's what we're gonna do instead. I am actually going to change this around. Am I? Whatever. We can always just call through. Okay, that's fine. So then, if use replica sets, set total, we don't need running. So then we're going to go ahead, set target. This is going to be num execs, application ID, and rp.id. Cool. So let's see if that mini refactor did the trick. Or by did the trick, I mean still compiles. No. Okay. Yeah, okay. Okay. Where is our application ID? Application ID. Um, hmm. Hmm. Okay, executor pods allocator, application. Set total expected executors. Okay, let's figure out. So, Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Okay. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend.scala. Um, hmm. Hmm. Oh, interesting. Hmm. 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 So what I'm thinking about right now is whether or not I want to like put application ID through here. I think yeah. Okay. Then I'm gonna have to update this in a bunch of places. It's okay. Let's go find init execs. Okay. And then executor pods allocator suite. Okay. Executor pods allocator suite. Set total. Okay. Hmm. Cool. Let's see if this. Oh, Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend. Sweet. Okay. Kubernetes cluster scheduler backend suite.scala. And this is set total. Okay. Okay. Let's see if this quick refactoring does the trick. Oh. That doesn't look like it was a success. Okay, yeah, that was... Oh, yeah, I've done that. More than once. More than once. It sucks. But... yeah, I've caused some outages. Not... Have I caused outages in the open source version? Probably. I've definitely caused outages in the version that my company runs normally. Because what happens is we tend to do development. And then we tend to pick up our changes that we're submitting upstream and roll releases earlier. Because we tend to make things that we want to use. But then, yeah, I've definitely caused company-wide outage before. I've done that a lot of times with things besides Spark, though. More frequently, in fact, I would say, because Spark moves a little bit slower. Okay, looks like it compiles, so that's solid. Refactor, add application ID to set total expected executors, so that we can use this as the entry point to adjusting okay. Yeah. So now we're gonna delete all that stuff. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go build Maven, and this is gonna take a while. And this is why I've been doing most of my development with SBT. But that's okay. But now we're gonna build Spark from source with Maven, and specifically we're building it with Maven because the tooling to make Docker containers, which is what I need to do to like do sort of my manual integration test, sort of assumes that everything is built with Maven, as do the integration tests, which I'm gonna work on. this is going to take a while, which is something that I definitely keep saying. So while that's going, I will see what it is I need to follow up on. Yeah, let's go ahead and dismiss. Oh wait, no, fuck. I meant to do clear. Oh well, whatever. Okay. Kubernetes. Okay. Ah, it does not merge. Interesting. I should fix that. Wait. This says it merges. Let's go ahead. Request. Dongjun. Oh yeah, actually, here we go. I am going to see if yeah. Relatedly, adding let's see if I can try and find someone to review this PR for me. Decommission label. To pods. Working on the replica set on the statefulsets PR. Cool. Sounds good. I have not tried GitHub Copilot yet. Have you? I've seen people tweet about it, but I have not. Okay. So this one looks reasonable. What the heck? Oh, this looks interesting. Yeah, I haven't asked for access yet. I should probably do that, but oh, that's weird. I don't know if I know the point of this PR. That's okay. Okay. Oh, my computer is no longer making sounds like it's going. Oh, that's because it's downloading a bunch of shit. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. This is the use caffeine instead of guava one that we were looking at the other day. Good, good. Yep. Sounds good. Yeah, so this is looking solid. If no one has any complaints about it, we'll probably end up merging that. This one I'm fascinated about. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I like this. I like this a lot. Yeah. I am interested in all kit stuff. Okay. So this is by a committer. So it's good. Um, so let us take a look. Yeah, I really like this one. I do because like the back off limit is just yeah. I so mostly because I've had this issue happen before. Um, and I think that's solid. I like it. I like it a lot. Sorry. Let's figure out unable to okay. Um Looks good to me. If you run the Kate's integration tests locally, otherwise LGTM pending passing Kate's integration tests. I really like this. Like this. Something I've run into when I've turned on failover on my own clusters. Cool. Yeah, I dig it. I like this one. Anyways, sorry. I get excited when people fix problems that I've run into that I haven't even had the chance to think about how to fix. And so the reason why the LGTM is like pending if you run the Kate's integration tests locally is because our CI is like sort of under provisioned and we just really don't have there's no one dedicated to keeping it up and running. The person who's been doing that for many years has moved on to different things. And so we use GitHub Actions for most things, but we don't use GitHub Actions for the Kubernetes integration tests just yet. I hope so. I hope so. Okay, cool. So that's the sound of my fan spinning down, but that's actually just because it's switching projects. So, yeah, okay. Um, Wait. Okay, let's go take a look. What's the latest comment? Okay, yeah. So this really hasn't been updated since the review 13 days ago from Dongjun, so I'm not gonna bother circling back to it yet. I'm gonna oh, how old is Professor? Professor Timbit is um like 14 months, give or take, maybe 16. I'm a little fuzzy on that. Um, he's he is the center of my world these days, I would say. Um, which that's good. It's good. It's good to have someone um, to get me out of bed in the morning. Quite literally with his yelling. If I don't, but also just like it makes me happy. Um, what was I doing? My brain, my brain is somewhere else. That's all right. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the PR which when I reviewed it. I mean we tried a little bit. Uh yeah. Yeah, I really I okay, yeah. Integration test for this. Would you be up for me to making EPR to your PR to your branch? Add integration tests. So that's just the like, yeah, this person is having difficulty with figuring out how to do this. And so it says like, I got it. I can add some tests for you if you're okay with that. But yeah, so we did train him. He went to puppy school as well when he was small because it was during the height of the pandemic. Um, and we wanted him to learn how to socialize, but we weren't like allowed to interact with other people, so we just dropped him off where other people would come by and interact with him, and he would interact with other dogs, but like the people wouldn't be interacting. And so I think that helped a bit with the socialization. Not not perfect, but oh, I dig it. Um, let's take a look. Hmm. Yeah. Still allow the user to specify their own app ID. Uh, okay. Super dot application ID. Okay. Would it make sense to instead change the superclass? App ID info. Cool. That's progress. PRs. Okay. Oh, yeah, I like this one. Let's see if they responded to my comments. Oh, okay. Oh, this has been going on for a long time. Okay. Oh, actually passed Kubernetes integration tests, so that's solid. Let's take a look. Prefix to use in front of the executor pod names. It must conform to the rules defined by Kubernetes. The prefix will be used to generate. So the length of the pod name needs to be less than or equal to. Okay, I dig it. Yeah. Yeah. Pod comp validator. Okay. Starts with yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. This looks actually, yeah. Do okay. Actually, I like this. Okay. I'm a little fuzzy on what this is doing, though. Okay. Uh, with pod name prefix f of unit, try f. Finally, name prefix old for each base conf. What? I don't. This logic here confuses me. I do not know. What's going on? Oh, this is a test. Okay. Okay. This makes much more sense. Okay. Mm. Okay. That makes more sense. I had misread that. Okay. Looks good to me. Let's leave it for a week. And after the branch is cut, if there are no comments from anyone else, I'll go ahead and merge this. Thanks for working on this. You know, getting PRs into Spark can be pretty slow. So I appreciate you sticking with it. Cool. I dig it. Oh, cool. Now, I guess. Oh, actually, the branch is cut. Okay. Docker image. Yeah, okay. Docker image tool. And this is going to be 330 alpha 0. Let's give actually alpha A. Because this is definitely going to involve a lot of iterations. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay. So it looks like the build is coming along okay for the Docker container. We're building the Python Docker container. That's good. While it's going on, I want to see what my namespaces are on my cluster. Get namespace. I don't actually remember if I set up the Spark namespace yet. Looks like it. That's solid. Okay. Cool. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hmm. 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 Okay. Yeah. So it built on AMD 64. Now it's just going to build on ARM. It's going to take a little bit longer. Um. Oh, I don't. Okay. What? What? Um. What? I can see your messages now, or at least I can see the message about your messages being eaten by the VPN now. Cool. Exporting. We're almost going to be able to test it. We're not. I'm not expecting it to succeed. But I do want to run it and find out like where it catches on fire. That's my thought. Um, this is my thought. This is my thought. Yeah, life is pretty cool. It's not perfect, but it's pretty cool. Okay, pushing the image. Party. I'm so excited. I mean, I know I'm going to be disappointed in a minute or two. Um, okay. That is, yeah. Um, so so I do have, it's building these Docker images, and I actually have a little cluster. So here, kubectl get nodes. Um, these are my machines. Um, I I know people say that servers are supposed to be cattle, not pets, but these are definitely pets. Like I know all of them pretty well, and I love and care for each of them. Um, I like computers. Uh, sorry. Anyway, yeah, I'm stoked. Sorry. Okay. And actually, this is good because it reminds me this is my master. Cool. I don't actually. Yeah, aged 14 days. That's the last time I redeployed Kubernetes on them. I don't actually remember what I was doing. Um, Okay. Oh yeah. Oh, that makes sense. That was the unicorn container that I was testing out. We'll do this one. And then it's going to be opt examples. I think 212. Oh, yeah. I'm probably not the person to give that TLDR. Um, but it's like the manager of stuff. Um, it, yeah, we can think of it as like it's like the etcd thing. So it's like gonna figure out where things go and assign it and all that stuff. Um, okay, I remember this. Um, I remember this because I've tweeted about it, and there's a hack that I need to do to make this work. We are gonna do that hack um, right now. And maybe I might actually fix it more generally, I think. But not right now. I'm going to do the hack today. Uh, Spark. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add these two jars that'll give me Bouncy Castle, whatever the hell it is. It'll give me support for this key type, which is the key type used by it's used by K3S. Okay, cool. Don't remember what port it's on. I'm gonna open up my Kubernetes config because I don't remember what port. Yeah, the party is short, but it's okay. I'm hoping. I'm optimistic. Okay. Huh. That's weird. 6. Huh. Huh. Is weird. Hmm. Hmm. Unless it's using the wrong class. Like maybe it's using my Minikube context, but I don't think it is. But who knows? Let's try commenting out the Minikube context. Hmm. Like I can, I think. The like root user, essentially. So I don't know why it's not letting me. Oh, yeah, that's a ticket. Okay. Oh, and then I need to give it nano 4G. Okay, cool. Yeehaw. Container creating. Oh, yeehaw. Okay. You definitely crash, mostly because, yeah. Let me find my Spark examples. Yeah. Okay, so it came up, and it's actually creating an executor. Okay, kubectl get all dash n spark get stateful set. Oh fuck! I forgot to configure it to use the stateful set. But at the very least, like we know it can run Spark Pi in vanilla mode, so that's good. So now we can go ahead and have this. We're gonna add the conf to put it into stateful set mode. Spark.kubernetes dot. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Stateful set does not support restart policy of never. I hate computers. Hmm. Okay. Let's go ahead. Do I have to switch this back to replica set? And, okay. Replica set. PVC template. Can I have replica sets with PVCs? Or do I need to use jobs? Okay, it looks like I'm gonna have to use jobs. That's fine. Okay, stateful set restart policy. Never. Yeah. Okay. Well, I guess we're going to use the job controller. So that sounds like what we're going to do. Okay. And we're going to go back to SBT. Hmm. 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 So then what we're going to do over here, oh, yeah, no. It's, it's like entry point, there we go. Exit -1, exit 100. Magic so that jobs still allow us to scale. I hate computers. Sorry. Uh, okay, so it looks like really job builder is the thing that we've got. So yeah, with new metadata, is it with new spec? So with new spec gives us spec nested. Yeehaw. And then inside of with new spec, job spec fluent. Okay, selector is replica. Parallelism. Okay. And so then instead of with replicas, we're going to swap this to with parallelism. Yeehaw. Hmm. 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 With template. Yeah. Okay, with new template. With new template. Hmm. How do I do the PVCs in the pod? Because I do not see PVC. Hmm. Hmm. Ah, damn it. Hmm. Okay. Kubernetes job PVC. PVC templates. Hmm. Okay, yeah, this thing. Kubernetes job. Let's just take a look at the Kubernetes job. PVC volume. Okay. I cannot have volume templates. I fucking. I hate computers. Okay, so replica set is the closest to what I want, except it doesn't support restart policy of never. So I could make. I need. Job is close to what I want. I can lie about yeah. Okay. Let's take a look at this Spark example. This is not what I want, probably. Where the fuck is their job? Okay. Kubernetes examples. Spark, yeah. Okay. Maybe we will use a replication controller. I don't fucking. Okay. Yeah, sure. Let's try replication controller. Okay. Kubernetes replication controller versus stateful set. Okay. I want to attach PVCs. Kubernetes replication controller. Okay. What? Yeah. Um. So I think, fuck, maybe I'm stuck with stateful set and a restart policy of always. Hmm. Okay. Back off limit and stateful sets. Stateful set. That's template though. That's job though. Okay. I mean, yeah, maybe we'll just use stateful sets. This is, I want the ability to support PVC templates. Restarting sucks though. Yeah. I used to date someone that did a bunch more Kubernetes stuff. I could, but that's not an option. Okay. So yeah, I guess what it comes down to, stateful sets force me to do restart policy of always, which sucks, but is maybe manageable. Jobs don't support PVC templates, which is not the worst. Okay, so I guess we've got two options here. Let's write some notes here so that I remember. Okay. We're going with a stateful set for now, since we want to support PVC templates. This does force us into a restart policy of always, which isn't ideal. Um, Instead, jobs would give us flexibility around restart policy, but not scaling up after success, plus no support of PVC templates is probably not ideal. Oh yeah, okay. As a hack, as a workaround, we can always delete the pod if we're in stateful set mode. And what else? Coffee. There's a second part of a workaround that I want to do. Okay. Okay. So then, what we're gonna do pod templates back. So then, let's go find our pod template spec. We'll go ahead and we'll put this comment up above that because that's where we're going to do that logic. Edit. Spec. Template spec builder. Oh, wait. Let's go take a look. Yeah. Restart. Let's see. Okay. So then what we do here, edit spec and spec. with restart. With restart policy. Yeah. Okay, cool. I guess we're actually, well, yeah. I probably didn't need a clean compile. Oh, well, whatever. Ah, ah. Hacks on hacks on hacks. Um, hmm, yeah. Hmm. Yeah. Hmm. Okay. This is going to take a hot minute, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this as a cue for a little quick break. I'm going to go get some water to balance out all the coffee I'm drinking and go to the washroom. So I'll be right back. I am back. We're still compiling, it looks like. So that's fun. It's gonna take a hot minute, as previously discussed. Yeah, one of the things. So we're trying to get what do you call it? Usimadu. And there's a place with a bunch of bathtubs, and we talked about like setting up a streaming room in the bathtub, because that would be fun. I think maybe yes. I think maybe yes. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, so why are we compiling? MLlib. Okay, that's a fair ways away along. Hello, Professor Timbit. Solidly mini progress. I got a thing to work, but I got a thing to fail, and now I think I have a fix for it, but I don't like it. Just okay. Sing. Mm. 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 Okay. Uh. Mm. 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 Progress. Progress quest. Progress quest. Mm. Hmm. How far? Okay, building external. Oh, hey, ergod. Erotic or sea life. Do do do. We're continuing from where we left off yesterday. It's still using stateful sets. Read some more comments about why not using jobs. How they're kind of annoying. And so actually, really, I think the only thing that makes sense is stateful sets. So that kind of helps, because then we don't have to make this quite so pluggable. Because like jobs don't support PVC templates, neither do replica sets, and like all of those things. So I think we're okay. I think we can actually get away with just having this be stateful sets. Cool. And now, Docker image build tool. This is going to be alpha B. Yeah, I am. I want this shit to work. At least like a proof of concept PR today would be would make me happy. Would make me happy. I think. I'm not like 100% sure I'm gonna get there, but I'm gonna try. And then I've got this other sketchy project that I want to try tonight, maybe. Um, it's yeah. Yeah. It's nice when I don't have like as many meetings and I can just do work. And by work I mean write software because I like writing software. Not that meetings aren't work. And they're actually often more productive than writing the software itself. Like, for example, I'm gonna have a meeting with some different folks who were thinking about whether or not to use jobs or stateful sets and things like that. Probably next week. And I think that meeting will probably be more productive than all of this programming time. But on the other hand, like doing a little bit of this programming time before that meeting also means like I'm more informed for when we're gonna have that discussion. Okay, cool. Huh. Hmm? Hmm. Okay. How's it going? Yeah. Okay. We've almost got this built. Which is exciting. Maybe this is gonna work. Misplaced optimism is the key to success. Oh.
You found another song.
Our neighbors leave underwear places and our dog finds it. Which is entertaining. Okay, exporting the layers, looking solid. Looking solid. I think we'll be able to test it. I'm excited. Sorry. I don't think it's going to succeed, but I think it might fail differently. And so that's exciting. That is exciting. Okay, cool. I dig it. Okay. We built the image tools. Now, I need to go change my container from alpha A to alpha B. Go ahead and get pods. Cool. Oh, because I did a clean. I have to redo my hack. I should really just add that. I'll make an issue. Do. Okay, cool. Huh. Inconvenient. But we can fix that. It's inconvenient because I have to redo the build. So Oh, Alexa, stop. Oh. Oh. Okay, actually. That's fine. Okay. Oof, I got the hiccups. next to do is okay. Cool. So that's some progress. It creates a stateful set. The container fails because my exec ID is all screwed up, and I'll probably come back to this after lunch. Hopefully, I have less hiccups then. Oof. I don't know how I got the hiccups just sitting here. Hmm. Let's hope that does the trick. But yeah. Oh, no. Okay, I'm gonna go try and get rid of my hiccups and deal with life. Thanks everyone for joining. I appreciate it.